just stopped its attack that easy?
No, impossible. Unnatural. How can you have this much power? Interesting. 1,000 years at the Hive Mother's side, I've chewed through entire civilizations. And you? First one who's caught me off guard. But even if you're strong, so what? Humanity is already finished. You want to fight for them, but are they even worth saving? And honestly, would humans ever accept you, inferior natural, as their hero?
It's trying to turn him against us! So it wants him to give up on us! Orion! We were so wrong about you! Please don't listen to it! Please don't listen to it!
You think their guilt is real? I'm telling the truth. They treated you like trash, like a worthless natural. They made fun of you. Isn't that the truth? Even your own parents, they abandoned you! You grew up on a junk planet, ate leftover nutrient packs, wore discarded work clothes. You saved their daughter. And what did they do? They don't even want to admit you exist just because you're a natural, an inferior, a trash hauler.
No, that's not true.
And now, willing to die for them? Why? Humans abandoned you. Modifieds despise you. Your own blood is ashamed of you. So, why keep protecting them?
That's not true. Orion, I couldn't protect you back then. That's why you were out there all alone for so many years. I never stopped looking for you. Not for 1 second. Never. Orion, I'm sorry. You saved my life, but I still didn't recognize you, even though you have our mother's eyes.
This is all on me. I'm the one who decided to abandon you. I'm the one to blame. Orion, you can hate me. Hate Solaris. Hate every modified person who despises you. I'm not asking you to forgive me. I'm just begging you. Don't give up on all humanity because of my mistake.
You're right. I'm a natural. I grew up on a junk planet, wore other people's old clothes, ate their leftovers. People looked down on me, pushed me around. I lived like dust. The old man who took me in, he said, humanity's biggest weaknesses are greed and fear. Modify genes, modify bodies, chase power. But forget who we are, forget where we started, forget to help each other. But humanity's greatest strength, maybe the only one, is that even in the darkest despair, someone will always rise. I've always been part of humanity. Not because my last name is Solari, not because I can pilot a strong mech, but because I chose to stand here, on humanity's side. You can mock my genes, mock where I came from, but here's something you'll never understand. A person who has been abandoned, he can still choose not to abandon others.
Foolish! With your power, if you pledge to the Hive Mother, I could make you king of human. You brought this upon yourself! If you're so determined to protect these pathetic humans, then turn to dust with them! Humans, you should feel honored. Last time the Hive Mother showed up on a battlefield was the Blood Nebula. You got lucky that once. But this time, you won't. Your greatest hero, the first Star Union chairman, is gone. Without him, you're nothing but slaughtered lambs. All that awaits you is doom! This is the Hive Mother's power. No weapons, no armies. She reads memories, awakens your deepest fears, and breaks you from within. Your civilization and willpower are nothing before it. Get lost, or die.
Get lost, or die.
No! No way! He's gone! You can't be stronger than him!
아래를 클릭해서 구독하고 전체 버전을 시청하세요.